Hey guys, I am going to plant some of my potato slips today, and I got started and I was like I should tape this, so I'll let you guys see what I'm doing. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I got some soil here. I'm using this one. I told you guys I like this soil. This is the Kellogg brand from Home Depot, and then I mixed it together with some stuff, and then that was coconut oil, and it's really chunks of coconut. I have it in that one, and this is my mixture, and this is what's at the bottom. I put just the plain soil at the bottom, and then I added some sardines that's in water. Make sure if you're using it, it's like fish emulsion, but it's just the fish. Make sure it's in water and not oil if you're going to use the sardines. So this is what I got. My poor little squash broke off yesterday from the storm, and I thought it was just leaned over this morning. I saw that it was broke off. I put it in some water. Probably ain't gonna do nothing. Probably gonna die, but anyway. I just have this one slip for now. There's some more out there. This is just a little leaf, so it's dead. But this is my slip, and this is what I put in. I put in some pecan casting, some bone meal, some blood meal, and then some garden thyme in the soil that I got in this bucket, and I mixed it together, and then I'm just going to put it on top of this. That's it. I'll set you guys up here. Hopefully we don't fall. And planting the birds are swarming because they have a nest on my porch, and they don't want me out here because their babies not hatched. But they're not paying any mortgage, so nobody cares. More garden time in the fall when I'm going to cook and run that flour. Not a lot, just probably right here, just mix it around. Not really too much there. It's a pretty deep. Put them in the dirt. I have some more going. I might go pull one up. They don't, it's just a nug, so I might leave it in there for a few more days. But this is what I got. Okay, sweet potatoes take between 90 and 120 days, and it's July 5th here, but I'm in Georgia, zone 7B, so they can grow through October, July, August, September, October, November. Depends on when the first frost is, but they'll let you know when they're ready. They'll start killing off, and if it gets too cold, I can always put them in my garage. So, but that is it. Let me let you guys see the slips that's growing, because I put them in the ground 2 or 3 weeks ago because I would hear them in the water in the house, and they wasn't growing. And I watched this video that said put them on the ground, you'll have slips in 2 weeks. And I did. I can't see because the sun's so bright, but hopefully, there's my finger. One there, and then these 3 here. And then, oh, and another one's coming. And when you go to pull them, you just pull them up, and the roots are already on them, so you don't even have to put them in water. And that's where my my yellow squash died, but I already keep spare ones, so I just put that in there this morning. So that's that, and that's my little voluntary tomato plant. So that is it. I'm going to pull those up once they get ready in about a few more days and add them to the pot. So anyway, that is it for my sweet potato planting. I had to repot my peace lily today. It was dying because it was root bound. And there it is. I'm going to show my house plants, but yeah, it looks pitiful. Needs water. So I'll give it some more. Just wanted to let it sit in the water and then water it again. And then take it back in the house later today. So that is it for my video.